This International 3800 bus sells absolute in the EKR fleet reduction sale, fleet liquidation sale at bidbaker.com. This bus features the highly sought after DT466 International engine. It runs out really well, really well. These buses were used at a refinery to truck contractors in and out of the facility there. So once they were retired from the school systems, that's what they've done. They've been well maintained, kept up. You can find them at bidbaker.com. Online only auction for the EKR bus fleet liquidation. Thanks for looking.